welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another TTDEYE contact lens review, and the color I'm doing today is going to be on the iris brown green too. Okay, and these are in a non-prescription. Okay, so I'm going to go in and put this in my eye on this one, so we'll be able to see how well it covers my gorgeous dark brown eyes. Okay, I got it in, and it's a very beautiful greenish brown hazel looking color. All right, I am loving it. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop the other one in, so stay tuned. Okay, I got the other one in. So I am really liking them. They're very, very beautiful, and I think they are a winner. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below, please. Let's chat. Let's have a conversation about these gorgeous contacts right here. Okay? All right, well, that pretty much wraps it all the way up for this review. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with others. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.